Come on this side, even some story, 3-story building house turning a 2-story building. Everybody has said that shake up the place away. Yeah, man. Take long and shake come here till it's no little. Shake.
Now the greatest earthquake that Jamaica ever feel in history. That name earthquake, earth shake. Jaja. Hope everybody alright. Powers.
Jaja. Our father. No man, the earthquake a little while. The one here, bro. Boy, if this is not a warning, I don't know what is a warning, yo. You hear me, no, man? So no nothing to laugh about, B. Yep. It's nothing to laugh about, the serious, man. Jaja. What a earthquake. No, sir. No, man.
I feel what going a while ago, right? Father do him thing a while ago, you know. This is them.
Well,
earthquake this man.
Yo, man, I'm free. No.
It's earthquake like this yet.
Yeah, man.
And yeah, this one is what it.
Yo, I dance, the building I dance.
Building I got drop.
Yo.
Don't see us supposed to piss up themselves.
Yo, a joke thing. The earthquake is serious. Yo.
Just happened earthquake.
Me just stop and pull him door. I'm say come and code it.
Bumbleclad.
Yo, me nearly get fucked out. I will like bank and I come back and I
push back.
Can't right one someone.
Five landslide already.
With landslide.
Could I so like it?
Probably say this is going up the road.
Why did we miss the vote then?
The minister said
we're having an earthquake. Oh God.
That's an earth.
Fine.
Yes.
Why did we miss the vote then?
The minister said
we're having an earthquake. Oh God.
Today, the Caribbean was hit by one of the most powerful earthquakes on record in that region, magnitude 7.7. It was centered in the sea between Jamaica and Cuba, and it was felt 450 miles away in Miami. Manuel Bojorquez is there, and Manny, I understand you could feel the shaking.
That's right, and it is rare for Miami to feel the tremors from an earthquake, but this afternoon, some buildings here shook enough that hundreds of people emptied into the streets around town. Now, so far, there are no reports of injuries or damage here, but closer to the epicenter, which is between Cuba and Jamaica, videos appear to show where giant sinkholes opened up in the Cayman Islands. The earthquake struck just after 2 this afternoon, causing panic in areas where the jolt was much stronger. So far, no reports of widespread damage or injury there either, but there is concern about aftershocks, especially after just hours later, a 6.1 struck the area. Here in Miami, we watched as engineers fanned out across this area to inspect the buildings here. So far, no signs of any concern.
Portland, which was damaged by an earthquake earlier. Now, it was a 3-story house, and now it has been transformed into a 2-story house with significant structural damage. As we go along, we'll have a first-hand look at the extent of the damage.
Fine. Why did we miss the vote then? Oh, we're having an earthquake. Oh, God.
That's an earthquake?
Are we still on? Yes. That was a heavy jolt.
Come on this side, even some story, 3-story building house turning a 2-story building. Everybody has said, did I shake up the place away? Yeah, man. Take long and shake come here till it's no little. Yeah, shake for good. So where you did that? You did that in that house? I did up a school up in the part where we stay. One of them in the staff room area? We couldn't even get to run in we couldn't even get to go on that table over Friday. Oh my. So one of did that in the staff room area? Yeah, where we stay, yeah. Oh my. It shake bad. It shake up the place. Some people jump. No, I picked them jump over and sprain them foot some. Then they upstairs and jump down. Where you jump down, man? Oh my dear. So what them jump down for? I treated that shake so long, them dead and them a try to run out. I shake man and them fright man, then jump down. Oh my. We now go work for them, say them a go assess one plot of the crop. And some window drop out, so they say they will go assess the building, upstairs building. Like it crack. Okay, so what if they pull them, joint them crack out? The beam them crack? At the beam. The side of the wall them. Yes, I'm about. We'll see if he good for work or it feel it up. This is a trauma. Yeah, man, what about the trauma? Turn a ball and a them just get afraid. That is a little sign, man. More than a sign that for them people that were going bad. But look at this one, man. Gonna show them saying can shake up. Look how they go kill a little baby, 10-month baby. They say them go kill a 10-month baby again. No man, what day? You never see them kill the baby. You hear about this apart? Okay. A film situation or a mad situation. The woman them so wicked, man. The woman them just decide if the man have somebody else, or them alone if have the man now. So, and a fear pitney alone count. You understand? So she just, I'm gonna kill the woman pitney. Yeah, that's fear pitney. A fear pitney alone count. Rest of pitney them no count. So that's why she need to go to prison left fear pitney.
So she get them beaten, yeah.
Me say she get beaten. Me say she get beaten. She can't fly away, go back to foreign.
Apparently she come down, eh?
Yeah, okay. I say she left from foreign just because of rubbish. And now you mess up her life. She will her life mess up now.
Come down, fam. You walk on your left and come down, eh? Come pay man $100,000. You can't pay man $100,000 and then you walk in back to man.
Come to.
You say pay them $100,000 and then you walk in and somebody for killing my kid.
And then she did that pay the next person for kill the next man but kill the first person.
Yeah, we don't give no money and
It's mad, you know, the corruption what she have. She watch too much movie. All of them something, the American something she see it, you know.
He said she can't get paid.
Yeah.
I go with me inside paying them to
The boy informed because the boy sister man not try to kill him.
Yeah. And give him some money.
So man run go tell the police, say, yo, that go on. And she do it.
Him shouldn't kill the baby. If somebody even pay him.
But then the woman kill the baby.
A woman kill the baby?
Yes, and she said she won't kill the baby herself. So she go there go kill the baby herself, brother. And she kill the baby and the man kill the baby. Man knowledge of
woman they have.
Eh?
What the heart she have?
What the heart she have to go kill the baby? She know nothing about that. She know nothing about her.
When she couldn't fire back on her when she had done that.
Shoot the little baby. What kind of little baby could I do to make you want to shoot a little baby, you know? Yeah, man. Mari supposed to be in class today.